Hello, so today I'll be showing you how to create early grade assessment on your learning space right on CloudNotte. Now, early grade assessment can be used for classes like crèche, nursery 1, nursery 2, as you may have it. Now, the first step for me to do is to click right on my settings. I click on my settings, I click on report sheet. Now, right from my report sheet, all I have to do is to click on the early grade. And once I'm on the early grade interface, all I need to do is to click on add new early grade assessment. After that, I'm going to be naming my new early grade assessment, and for this I'm going to be using general. I'm going to be selecting the class that this is applicable to, and after that I'm going to be selecting the subject that it's applicable to. So I'll be picking diction. Now the next step is creating sub-assessment for this early grade system, and all I need to do is to click on it and click on add sub-assessment. So what are those sub-assessments for that subject diction? I'm going to be using handwriting. Next, I'm going to be using the word pronunciation. Okay, so these are the two sub-assessments that I want to add to the subject diction. So once I'm done, all I have to do is to click on submit, and automatically my sub-assessment has been added already. So I need to come here and select them, so I can add as many sub-assessment that I want for this grading system. So once I'm done with diction, I can add more subjects. So this is subject 2. Let's use fine art for example. Add sub-assessment. So fine art, I'm going to be adding new assessments to it. So let's use things like drawing. Let's use things like painting. So once I'm done, still same process, I click on submit. Now we have 2 subjects on our early grade assessment, and let's not forget that we can customize our assessment the way we want it. We can either choose cognitive keys to show, we can choose principal comments to be displayed, we can choose form teachers comment to be displayed. However we want this assessment to display on our report sheet, we can customize them here. And once we are done, all I need to do here is to click on create assessment, and automatically my assessment has been created. So let's take a look at it and see how it looks like. Back to our early grade, all I need to do now is to select the term and select the class, and here is our early grading assessment. So this is very simple, and we can also add ratings to our assessment. So how do we do that? So all I need to do now is to click on add rating keys, and first of all I'm going to be selecting the class. Remember, we're working with JS1A. So I'm selecting the class. I can add as many classes as I want. Now what is the name of my rating key? So what I'm going to be doing now is my rating key here will be 4, and that 4, what's the description, what's the remark for the 4? I'm going to be saying very good. I can add as many as I want, so I'm going to be adding another one. I'm going to be making this 3. And what will be the remark for this 3? This remark for the 3 should be good. And once I'm done, I click on the submit button, and automatically my rating keys has been added. So I can add as many rating keys as I want. So now this is our sub-assessment. Remember, we have already added sub-assessment for diction. Now this is our sub-assessment for diction. So this is how you add early grading system on your learning space right on CloudNotte. Remember what we did? We added the assessment, and we added the sub-assessment, then we added the rating system. Okay, so if you miss any part of this video, do well to watch the video again, and don't forget to subscribe to get more updates for our next video. Thank you.